Yo, yo, good morning, guys. Test. Let's go. Test. Give me 1 second. Morning, Jayla. Good morning, Alfredo. Oh, morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Gary. Good morning from the UK. I have a little something for you guys from the peeps in UK. Give me 1 second. Uh, GameStop. Good morning. Good morning. I don't think there'll be an Arby's gift card. Morning, Matt. I don't think there will be an Arby's gift card. What's up in your base? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We have a big day today. I was late by like 1 minute, right? Sorry about that. I was trying to put on my suit, get all fixed up. Yes, I do have like a couple packs of Arby sauce left. Let's see what Twitter, what kind of news we got on Twitter. GameStop earnings countdown. Oh my gosh, countdown. But what's the fun and fundamentals? Ask Reddit traders on the rocket emoji launchpad. George, I haven't done that. I haven't transferred stock, so I wouldn't be able to answer that. Morning, Kayla. Good morning. Too many White Claws last night? Nope. GameStop's Q4 earnings preview. Day of reckoning. Follows stocks wild. Wall Street bets right. Who is so thrilled for today, guys? We have a big day. Let's see. Roku launches advertising brand studio ahead of TV upfronts. Who here has been in Roku? Roku has been killing it. Look at this chart, man. This is just beautiful. It looks like it's forming a head and shoulders, so if it comes down, I have my alerts still from a while ago, so it has yet to hit my alerts. Chipotle to accelerate expansion into Canada. GameStop's chief customer officer Hamlin leaving the company. Morning, Thomas. Welcome back. Damn. The chief customer officer is gone. That makes sense. They're getting rid of the people they don't need. Uh, good morning, William. Oh, this isn't it. All right, we got 22 minutes. We're chilling. We're floating along. AMC is pulling back slightly again, pre-market guys. It went down to 11.31, but it bounced up to 12. We're at 11.76 right now. I have a pretty good feeling AMC is going to follow GameStop today. Even if it may not be following a pre-market, I think their market open. We'll see. What's up, Hector? What's up? Sipping on coffee, watching stonks. We have our coffee here too. Someone tell me what is wrong with this coffee. What is wrong with this coffee? What is wrong with it? Morning, Steve. Welcome. No ice. It has plenty of ice. Let's see. Fintel. Let's check Fintel. It's cold. No. No. It's from Starbucks. It's blacker ice. Nope. Let's check Fintel. Oh, we love to see it. AMC on Finto is showing 500K when it was like a 6 million a week or so ago. What's up, David? Welcome back. There we go. Gonzalo got it. Your coffee is not in an AMC cup. Come on, guys. You guys know this is not the right way to drink coffee. AMC muggers. Keep drinking the coffee. My son is in charge of the app for corporate. If I don't know about GameStop today. If it's flat again with anticipation headed into earnings, I'm not going to be surprised. I will not be surprised. I think a lot of people are waiting. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Meant to lower the brightness slightly. Coffee pump, let's go, baby. I don't think there'll be an Arby's gift card, guys. I do not think there will be an Arby's gift card. Nobody will. That's like no one's gonna want that. It's about to go down to guys. It's like every day. It's so with these hedgies and these market makers and the manipulation going on with AMC. It's just like every day is a new battle, man. TJ, congrats on starting a new job. Haven't been on the live streams. Don't worry about that. Don't we're not worry about not being on the live streams. I appreciate you tuning on in, and I appreciate you watching the videos every night. Thank you so much, guys. I truly appreciate you guys. PS5 pump, guys. You guys know what I realized? That there's infinite entries on Instagram. Smooth brain. Someone figured it out. Such a smooth brain play. Do a coffee giveaway. Yeah, I have two more AMC gift cards as well that I have. The spike usually after hours is it's some kind of glitch. I don't let me even on Google, let's see what it has. It's probably gonna have pre-market. Oh yeah, it's still there. It shot up to 372. I think that's an order that got filled up there. That's my guess. That's we've always seen this though on GameStop, guy. Even on AMC. We've seen that. The hacks at CNBC are saying it could swing 30% either way. Usually we hate on CNBC, but I agree. I think I think it's gonna go hard when we're the other after hours too, even pre-market. Whatever is said, man, it's either gonna push up aggressively, or it's gonna be painful. It's gonna be painful, or we're gonna be happy. That's why I'm so excited. I'm worried. I'm thrilled. What's TCAT? What's oh my gosh, is it above 50? Let's see. Oh, 65. Damn. Dan, good morning. Welcome back. Dan, thank you for the dono. He says smash the like button. 420, baby. That's the target. 420. I appreciate you, Dan. You're not invisible to us. We could see you. We could read your messages. Will, you can try it. Will, you could try it every single day. I'm not gonna fall for it. So what is Tesla at? Tesla, I mean, we shot away from 698. I think we hit 698 and we pulled back. At this point, we're pretty much break even at this price, so I'm not too worried. We should have took those profits yesterday, but it is what it is, man. Morning, Criven. Dapper. Smooth. Good morning, Smooth Brains. No shares on Fintel. Yes, it's showing 500K as of 50 minutes ago for AMC, and for GameStop, it is showing. It's loading up really quick. There we go. It's showing 150K. Let's take a look at Ehor's Twitter. What has he tweeted? Ehor. Come on. This guy's a legend. Hasn't tweeted in like 6 days. Hope everything's good with them. There you go, David. I zoomed in. Hudrich. Oh yeah, he's one of my clients. Really cool guy. Thoughts? How's Kramer doing? He's chilling, waiting for market open as well. We got 14 minutes. Bar where did you see that? Julia, 383% borrowing fee? Where do you see that? iBardesk? Let me see. iBardesk is showing the same thing, 500K. iBardesk literally is just the same data as Fintel. Oh, I thought you were talking about AMC or GameStop. No, TCAT, yeah, TCAT is ridiculous. Green Truth 420, I think is just an order that got filled at that price after ours yesterday. Look at my chart on GameStop. It does not show anything above. That order got filled at what? 200, 372. I'd be a little uneasy chasing TCAT, not gonna lie, at this at $60. I mean, look at this. Unless it comes down to like 45, maybe, or $40. But here at 59.65, I'll probably pass on it. But then again, if it pulls a GameStop, it could easily fly to 100. I mean, when GameStop was at $50, the next day I remember I think it opened like at 75, and I was like, you know what's gonna go to 100. Yeah, that's the hardest part about installing. So when you're holding, it's fun in games when we push up, right? But when we have these pullbacks, it's just the diamond hands are tested, man. When is it a good time to buy into Roku? Roku had news out. Let's see. Roku launches advertising brand studio ahead of TV upfronts. But then again, it's not moving too much as well. I have my alerts set on Roku though. This is when I'm willing to actually dip by. Look at this. I have my alerts set at 299. I set these back like in December. Never got alerted. Got 10 minutes. Microsoft rumored to buy Discord. It's not on here. Oh, there it is. Microsoft reportedly in talks to buy Discord for more than 10 billion. The deal is imminent, and Discord has also been talking to others about a sale. Bloomberg said that Discord was previously talked with Amazon and Fortnite maker Epic Games. Uh, Simple of Wealth, I'm waiting for lower prices. I have 10 shares, but I'm not willing to add more unless we drop drastically. With futures being green still, I don't know if we'll see that drop, but we have Powell again today. We have Jerome Powell today again. Bill Gates looks like a dude that lurks on Discord. What? Bill Gates has been buying farms. I did not know that. Time to delete Discord. What's the VIX at? Like 26, my guess? 19. We dropped that far back down? I mean, with the market pushing up, I wouldn't be surprised. Powell's gonna axe the markets. And I appreciate that. Drive safely. Don't trade and drive. Farmlands more than anyone in the U.S. Chris, is that for AMC? Gates is making synthetic food. That guy worries me a bit, man. Especially with the whole vaccine. Have you guys seen that video on YouTube about population control and whatnot? It's a little worrisome, man. Eugenics. Yeah, he worries me a bit. He creeps me out a little bit. It is a little scary, not gonna lie. Yeah, the depopulation. Well, if you're doing 2 cents, shills are in your chat means you are important. I don't know what you meant by that. Yeah, today, guys. Obviously for later on for the GameStop earnings, we're gonna be streaming that. And last time we had 5,000 apes live for the AMC earnings call. So it might get a little crazy later. It might get a little crazy. We're gonna get a lot of trolls, a lot of shilling. So just FYI, keep that in mind. I'll restate this later on, just so you guys won't be surprised. Because last time we did that, we got a ton of trolls. No, yeah, we're waiting for Tesla still. You have some woke followers. Be careful what you talk about because Google will deplatform you for speaking the truth. We have the best community here. We really do, guys. We really do. We are some woke apes, man. We're waiting, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and there's already a slight wall at 11:56 pre-market on the ask. You kidding me? Carson, watching on the treadmill, man. I need one of those standing desks, man. My back has been killing me lately. Anybody else? Ugh. Hedge funds are scared. Did you guys see that Reddit uh job hiring post yesterday? What ticker are you using there? This is GameStop and this is AMC. Or you mean like broker? Think or swim. I have not got TCAT. No, I'm a little scared to touch it. Well, I could chair forward and get the lumber. I do have the lumber pillow, actually. Let me put that on really quick. Let me just put that on really quick, guys. Forget, you have to put it. You have to strap it all the way from the bottom and through the under the chair. And I'm smooth brain, so it's gonna take a while. But the market opens in 2 minutes. Oh. Lower back pain from prolonged sitting at a computer is a young person's injury. Yeah, my back has been like, nah. There we go. Yeah, today's gonna be such a huge test. It's already 11:44, and there's already walls stacked at 11:56, guys. Here we go. 1 minute. Remember when everyone thought GameStop was dead at $40 and it shot up? Guys, GameStop is at $200. It's at 197. All right, there we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go. Pulling back aggressively on GameStop. I did not expect that. Opposite. AMC slightly trying to push 1150s. Is there a wall there? Let's see. Let's wait. Oh my gosh. GameStop. What a bounce. And it's coming back down. It sold off right away. That was such a ridiculous bounce. Talk about volatility. AMC still, oh my gosh, it looks like AMC's in a barcode again, guys. This is not, again, with the penny spread. Don't get stuck. Guys, these candles on GameStop are pretty aggressive. Look at this. Boeing is take it's coming down too. Boeing. Anyone have Boeing? 246. AMC might bounce off of 31. Is it gonna bounce off of the pre-market low? Let's see. Come on, GameStop. Come on, baby. All right, so this is the pattern we've seen on GameStop before, guys, where it pushes up. Yes, we're in the green, but then it immediately pulls back to like EMA right here, to like 197 in this case. It'll pull back to here. Look at the aggressiveness on this candle. Wow. AMC's trying to bounce off of the pre-market low, slightly bounce to 1136. GameStop test 200. Come on, test 200. Do not pull back. This happens all the time. Come on. Don't pull back. There's that bounce on AMC. Let's go. And it bounced. Look at this. It can never hold itself, guys. If it's in the pullback, and you want to see some strength, it better bounce right now in this candle. Go green, go green. Don't go red, don't go red. You cannot afford to come down, GameStop. There we go, there we go. Every single time GameStop shoots up on the candle, look at this. It comes right back down. I feel like the big boys are really gonna play with AMC and GameStop today, guys. I feel like today we're in for. Look at these candles already on GameStop. Massive green, massive red, and it's already bouncing from 196 to 198. Let's go, AMC, baby. Push, push. Come on. Follow GameStop, man. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Talk about a push. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's have a green day. Let's have a green day. Come on, GameStop. You have earnings today. Brian Cohen, baby. We trust you. There we go. Test 200, test 200. 99. Yes! All right, all right. Hold yourself, hold yourself. Hold yourself. Don't pull back. There we go. 201. I'm not leaving. The whales are fighting in GameStop. Yeah, guys, guys, we're just in the middle. It's like Godzilla and King Kong. We're witnessing these big whales trying to take each other out. And we just happen to have the right whales on the right side, on our side. What? Look at this. Oh my gosh, aggressive pushes, yes, but aggressive pullbacks as well. EMA test at 197. AMC's trying to go green. Alrighty, alrighty. Morning, Nick. This is not good for your blood pressure. Back at 199.84. Are we gonna bounce off EMA? So far, so good. We need that bounce though. We need bounces, guys, on GameStop. Nah, it's not good. Coming back down to EMA. AMC, on the other hand, is still trying to hold above EMA. Rejection off SMA. Let's wait and see where we hold. Why is it just stuck here at 198? Look at this. It is not ticking. There we go. Have a feel. For some reason, I have a feeling some news is gonna break out midday. I don't know. Jordan Belfort just tweeted, "Good morning, everyone with three bells." Is he an AMC or what? A lot of people are saying he is. Then he posted Snapchat, so I think he bought Snapchat. How's Nasdaq? How's Nasdaq? Nasdaq took a pretty ugly dive at open. All right, AMC holding EMA. Something GameStop cannot hold. It's still coming down under 197. We need aggressive pushes. This is the third red candle, man. Usually a bounce is followed by two, maybe even three, but this one's a little too aggressive at 196. TCAT hit 70. No way. This is the next GameStop right here. Damn. Yeah, GameStop fired the customer service. What was it? GameStop chief customer officer steps down. You guys think he stepped down and he got fired? I think he got fired. Let me know. What do you guys think? He resigned. They got fired. They should have fired him years ago. Yeah, they're not playing at GameStop right now, man. They are not playing around. They already bought him a replacement from Chewy. He had a history of being a douche. All right, this is exactly what I'm talking about. These bounces here at GameStop, they need to be aggressive. If we're gonna pull back to 196, this candle better shoot up to like 200. Let me see an aggressive push on this candle. Needs a little stroking, but that's sometimes all it needs. Look at AMC, man. Let's go. Come on, this candle better push up. You cannot afford to come down, GameStop. There we go. No. This is the bearish candle, man. This is the bearish candle. Better shoot up. Come on. Bust on AMC. Look at this. Strength on AMC. Bounce, baby. It's not bouncing like AMC's looking pretty. I like the pattern more on AMC than GameStop right now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. He got the axe. Not bad. Take a look at the 5 minute on GameStop. Slightly under, just slightly. There's still hope for a stronger bounce here. AMC, on the other hand, is literally. Come on, man. We need to go green today. We're crossing above on AMC. Again, retesting SMA, broken. Let's go. GameStop, where's that bounce at? 80, let's go, baby. It's clearly want to keep it under 200. Yeah, I don't know why it's not. We have, when did we come down first initially? It was on Thursday when we started creeping under 200. Then we shot up to 227. And then since then, we've been struggling above 200. We've had a spike 210 yesterday, but it's still under 200. That's the whole number we've been fighting. Tesla is pulling down. Oh, Tesla, man, you're killing me. I'm still waiting for cheaper. Way cheaper. The 1 mile hike on this treadmill is powering AMC right now. Give me 2 miles. Show me 2 miles. All right, this is what I love to see on GameStop, guys. Some support at 196. This is way better than yesterday, which usually is followed by a pullback and a double bottom. I don't want to jinx it, but so far, so good. Come on, bounce, baby. We need you to bust an AMC and just shoot up. It's still seeing rejection. This is what we saw yesterday, guys. Apart from a spike at market open at a 210, take a look at this. This is like, it just ladders down under EMA, guys. This is what we do not want to see today. As of now, it looks like it's setting up for the same exact pattern. Oh my gosh. Look at this. No, it's happening again. Happening again. The same pattern has been happening. Yes, TCAT was like a 70, right? It did get brought up. It got brought up yesterday at 46 bucks, I believe. Cracking double bottom 193. Yesterday, what was the low? It was at 186. We bounced off of there like 4 times. I'd hate to see this come down to that level again. 193. The Nasdaq is going down in flames. No, not really. Still green. But this is another one that's seen rejection at EMA, guys. Um, I don't know what's going on with your graphs. I don't know what you mean by that. Don't know what you mean by that. Your graphs. Oh my gosh, GameStop's gonna give me a heart attack. This is not right. This is doesn't look right. It's aggressively selling off. Like yesterday, same thing. I don't know. All right, AMC is showing strength, guys. Bouncing off EMA once again twice. One, two, three, four, five consecutive red candles. Let's see a bounce here. 190s. AMC promising again at 1185. We're gonna retest 12. Everyone is selling GameStop and buying AMC. I think the majority of people are are holding GameStop. Like myself. Who here is holding GameStop? They're gonna hold regardless. It's not because of earnings. People don't like to hold on to stock before earnings. I agree with that. But I'm apes hold. I'm gonna hold yes. Look at this. We're all holding. And there's way more people holding than us just here. That's why there also has been a lack of volume. Let's go, AMC. Pave the way. It's popping again. Let's go to 12 bucks. Guys, we have to push. You guys see this? This is a bearish descending triangle. This is not good. We have to push. That's why we cannot afford to come down anymore. It has to. We have to reverse. It has to reverse. It's trying to hold the 190s. Yesterday we bounced off of 186. I think that's the third time we bounced off 186. Tesla is still dipping. Welcome back, Eve. Good morning. Ooh, 667. Not bad. This is just beautiful strength on AMC. So beautiful. Let's go. Let's go to $12. $12 is not a meme on this next push. There we go. 92, 93. GameStop still trying to fight 190s, guys. Cohen has 10 aces up his sleeve. Can you imagine how many people are going to tune into that call? Hopefully they don't I don't get screwed on my email and I'm able to let's see let's log in right now. That is log in right now. Webcast reminder. There we go. Let's see how we're vibing right now. See how the lobby is. Hey, let's go, baby! Oh, I'm so hyped. Screw the shorts, man. Oh, What did it hit? 93, pulling back. Okay, well deserved, earned pullback, healthy pullback. We're waiting for a reversal on GameStop. Yeah, it's just idle, of course. We're just waiting. Aftermarket, yes. Come on, Ian. Come on, GameStop. We need that reversal. You cannot afford to come down under today. I can't keep the music or else I'll get copyright. Roaring Kitty has got this channel a couple copyright strikes because of the music he uses, but it's all well worth it. It's all well worth it. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh, this is way oversold on the 5 minute. Way oversold. EMA's at 195. Adrian, yes, I agree. That's why we've been bouncing off the 187, 190 level on GameStop 3 or 4 times, if I'm not mistaken. It went under 175 and then like twice here at 197, at 181, yesterday at 187, and we're bouncing higher here at 189. The only thing that worries me is the lower highs. Like I tell you how I see it, and I see a bearish descending triangle, guys. And like 90% of the time, it breaks down under this. That's why we have to push. Break above, baby. Let's retest 210, maybe even 211, 220 today. That's what we need midday. That is exactly what we need. We need a strong bounce. Yeah, I agree. Based on previous earnings, I think they can beat this one, especially with the next gen consoles, guys. I couldn't even for the PS5 giveaway. I was not able to find any. They're all sold out everywhere. They're sold out everywhere. Even Nintendo. Nintendo killed their earnings with the Nintendo Switch. Oh yeah, Jordan Belfort did tweet good morning with 3 bells. All right, that's the second time we've been getting rejected at the EMA on GameStop. We need that push, baby. Can you check? I borrowed this for TKI. I'll check Fintel for it. I have it. It's the same data. Yesterday I had some ridiculous borrow fee, guys. Oh my gosh, TCAT zero. They're shorting the everything on TCAT. Look at this zero. I mean, obviously this is just a small sample pool, but the fact that it's showing zero, GameStop once had zero as well. Look at the fee, 381%. GameStop is ugly on the charts, but pre-earnings, AMC did the same thing and went on for a run after earnings. The reason I had a 250 price target on GameStop before earnings was because I've seen this all the time. If you guys notice, 1 week or so before earnings on any company, there's usually a push. We saw it on Tesla. On Tesla, it was literally that last day before on the day it had earnings that it actually pushed. Apple did the same thing. AMC did the same thing. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take my bet and put my price target on that for GameStop. But we're not seeing that on GameStop, which is really interesting, especially with the earnings call being who thinks here or agrees that this earnings call is probably the most important corporate event for GameStop. Like this earnings call, this one, the big. You don't even understand how many people are gonna watch this earnings call, and if they kill it, that's gonna bring so much more investors into GameStop. Um, think or swim. Think or swim. We're going for 12 on AMC, and we're still slightly retracing, guys. We're getting rejected at EMA, and these bounces aren't too strong. This is the make or break TBH. I mean, regardless, I'm going to still hold. This earnings will change everything, yes. Epic's moment for earnings call, yes, it is. After hours, Jamal. After hours. Morning, Jennifer. Welcome back. Papa Coin, you gotta do a good job. I absolutely agree. Yeah, Thomas, I agree. The first 30 minutes on GameStop, it's always the same pattern. Literally, held down under EMA. Even yesterday. Yesterday, I believe it sold off a little bit more aggressively, though, than right now. At least right now, we're seeing some testing of EMA. Yesterday, we did not see that. I literally just flushed under EMA. RKT, I believe we did cover. It hit 70. I think it RKT, right? I'm getting confused with TCAT and RKT. RKT is still pushing at 24. Hmm. I think 25 might be the push here. I don't I wouldn't necessarily buy RKT. TCAT bouncing. AMC testing EMA one more time on the pullback. Tesla 670 is Tesla. Is Tesla reversing? Yes, it is. This might actually just push to like 1173 midday. Let's set our alert here. Pretty much at an L still, but we are holding. Also, the PC components. Yes, you agree. I mean, you're right. I agree. Tesla. Guys, we already have these bots here. I'm so happy for taking the bold step and working and investing $2,000 with Mr. Mark. After a week, I received $6,468 to my bank. These bots are here. Regal Cinemas to reopen April. Strikes new deal with Warner Bros. What? Why is... Can we remove the bots, guys? Why are they still here? How do I remove them? Put user in timeout. There we go. I don't know. It's after hours. Pulling back. What's my 5-minute EMA? Testing 5 EMA. Broke down slightly under. It's looking a little toppy. We need that second balance. That third leg up, actually. GameStop is holding 190s, guys. Morning, Kelly. Late to the party. Time to ride the wave. Morning, Space Kitty. Bots are not a meme. I don't like these aggressive pullbacks on AMC, but then again, we're waiting for that third bounce, that third leg up. Let's see it. With the GameStop still holding at 189. We're not seeing that strength into the balance like we want. All right, it's coming down slightly once again. No rush, William, no rush. We terminate these bots really quick. Who do I fight in the charity boxing match? I agree with you, Kevin. That penny spread, man. It's like a spy. Look at spy. What is it doing? Nasdaq still. Oh, Nasdaq went red. Nasdaq went red. What time is Powell on? Did he already speak? I don't think he's on yet. Oh, why is there more? There's a ton of WhatsApp bots. All right, we're seeing that bounce once again on AMC. Let's hold these higher lows, guys. GameStop still playing that support game, 188. Take a look at the market watch. I don't think it's updated yet. It's not flashing. We're waiting. We're waiting for that roaring kitty tweet as well. Come on, GameStop. You're oversold, man. We need that bounce. All right, there we go. It looks like GameStop is once again testing EMA. Don't get rejected here. Break out, break out. Come on. I appreciate you, Fred. Be safe. Drive safely. I appreciate you tuning in. We need our master to tweet. All right, we're still seeing rejection there, guys, on GameStop. We need that bounce. We need that bounce ASAP. He tweeted talking about, I have not received the notification. I'm the last one to get it. Talking about Roaring Kitty. I'm telling you, the manifestation works. Ivan collab with Powell. He lives and breathes stonks. Ivan, I believe I know you're trolling me right now. You are trolling me. Thank you for the donut, though. I appreciate it. Guys, I'm not getting the noti. I kid you not. Refresh, refresh. Let's look at my brain. Let's see what he tweeted. Two tweets in the last hour. Did I miss both of them? Oh, no, no, no. Okay, here we go. Is this Mario Kart? What year is this Mario, or why is it like this? Why it's like the old school, and then it goes to like the newer one. He means we won on the last course. Um, Tesla's pushing. GameStop is pushing. There we go. Literally, as soon as you said that, he tweeted, "Yeah, he reads my smooth brain." The final stretch. Yeah, this is it. Super Nintendo. That as well. Easy. GameStop is easily not bouncing, guys. We need that bounce. It's not happening. Rejection again. Again, let's hope for these higher lows. This is what we're playing now. The higher low game. Ernie, I'll give you the wrench, but use it wisely. I gave you the wrench. I don't see a W here on AMC. Alright, it's not, it's not. Give it time, give it time. Another pullback on AMC, guys. This is choppy now. It's, I don't like this pattern here. I don't know what's going on. It needs to hold now. No clear sign of direction just yet. Looks to me like it's forming a head and shoulders. So if it finds support like at 1150, it might shoot up to like 1170, and then who knows what happens from there. That's what I see happening. Is that on Fintel? It was at 500K 50 minutes ago. It went down to 450K, you're right. Tesla with that cup and handles. This is exactly what we need on GameStop. If it's going to be getting rejected at EMA, this is what we need. These type of aggressive pushes above EMA and then hold above there. Good example on Tesla. All right, we're still waiting. We're still holding 189, which is better than testing at 187. Rainbow Road is on a special cup. Oh, no, guys. Let me see. Coming back down to 187. Yesterday we hit 186 before we bounced. All right, it's trying to hold here at 187, guys. You guys think we bounced off 187? That's probably one of my worst fears. The thing that just I hate the most. The double bottoms. The double bottom test. It's trying to bounce. There we go. AMC still holding itself at 1170. Form that head and shoulders, baby. Show me that push to 1170. Yeah, very low volume as well. We're not seeing that aggressiveness we've seen before. think we're just we're waiting, guys. Too much anticipation for earnings. All right, there we go. First green candle. There we go. After one, two, three, four, 5 consecutive red candles, we finally have greens. Testing EMA one more time. Break above. Come on, third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. All right, there we go. It's after hours. What's up, D Wade? What's up? 5 p.m. Eastern, yes. All right, we're testing again. Come on, push. There's some slight support here, 1160 for AMC, guys. That's why it's like barcoding here. 1160s. There's a wall of support there. Wall of buyers. GameStop is not having it, guys. Very slow. I just woke up. Good morning, Nancy. Welcome. Tesla pushing still. Oh my gosh. Back to break. Back to break even. Talk about a recovery. Rowan, can you tweet it again? Oh, I just got the notification, right? Okay, yeah. This is what we need. We need this type of push on GameStop. There we go. There we go. Come on. That's what we need. Give me that green candle, baby. Maybe I need to leave, right? I need to end the stream. It always jumps when I leave. Should we just end it? Oh, we have one free stock on Webull. All right. I swear, if I get WPF again, Webull has blessed us and converted us to a CEO of WPF. Take a look at this. After 2 Snapchat shares, we've literally received just WPF. So if you guys want free stocks, use that free link down below. If I get WPF. Mm, that's it. I'm going to Robinhood. These bounces, they're not happening. You guys see this again? A descending triangle. This is not good. Bounce, please. I'm doing a hostile takeover on WPF. 842 watching Lieutenant Orange in the command center, and there are only 245 likes. Shame on you. Hit the like button, girls. Let's get 420, baby. 420 on the likes. Maybe that'll push up GameStop. It's trying to hold double, triple bottom at 187. Roberto, I think that's what it is, man. It's just so much anticipation for the earnings call. We didn't even see that pump we wanted to. What's a 10-year, guys? What is a 10-year at? 1.65? That as well, Damon, I agree. The majority of people are holding onto their GameStop. 1.65, everything is down today with yeah, NQ's possibly NQ went red, by the way. NQ went red. As of now, it's retesting that resistance again, the lower highs, trying to creep above EMA. Come on, this is it. Bounce, baby. Triple bottom. I think that was the name of a movie my uncle made me watch when he babysat me. All right, here we go. This is it. Push. Warning, Mike. Guys, we held at 187. We're at 189 again. We're not in safe waters yet. Break above 190, 192. Convince us. This is the reversal. Convince us. This is such a weird chart. Look at that bid at 1150. There's a huge bid there. And that, of course, that penny cent spread at 1151. Time for the breakout up on GameStop. That's what we're hoping for right now. We're waiting for that massive green candle to just push. Let's test 194. Come on, it might need a little stroke in here. Okay, okay. There we go. Come on. That's what I'm talking about, baby. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Don't sell off. Okay, look how aggressive it's moving now. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Push to 191. 190.72. This is exactly what we talk about. Let's go, baby. WPF pump right there. Don't sell off. Don't sell off. Those shall not have fun. The bond markets be like that. Okay, as it's pulling back, we need to hold the blue line, guys. Instead of hold the line, we need to literally hold the blue line. Bounce off of that, if possible. There we go, 190.07. AMC held 1150s. That bid was pretty stacked there at 1150s, guys. I'm looking forward to your speech at the WPF shareholder meeting. Literally, just the stock goes up. That's it. WPF is going to 100. Yes, it's bouncing. It held the blue line. It is holding the blue line. Hold the blue line. AMC above the EMA, which is happens to be the blue line, guys. For those of you that are confused, the EMA is the blue line. SMA is the yellow line. But are we gonna push past 191? EMA's at 191.96. That's what we're going for. That's what we're coming after. 191.96. All right, there we go. Never forget 801. The buy and sells. This, right? The TNS. You guys want me to leave this up, the times and sales, or no? Let me know in the chat. You guys want this feed column? Morning, banana not. Good morning. There we go. 191.18. Show us 191.96, which is what happens to be the 5-minute EMA. Test the 5-minute EMA. God. So far so good, guys. Literally, blood pressure through the roof right now. Leave it up, okay. Yes, yes, yes. You guys like seeing the times it sells, right? 801's historic. It's hard to see it on your phone. Testing the blue line one more time. Again, if it comes down under, there's still hope for a reversal here if we hold higher lows. It's testing, it's cracking. All right, chair pump. I'm running to the bathroom really quick. I'll leave Jamer with you guys. Let's see if he pumps you guys up. All right, guys. So as we pulled back on GameStop from 191.50, which is not a bad price level to push up after this being rejected on this pullback, breaking past this descending triangle, we are now basically again playing the higher low game, and which in this case at 190, we are still into play. There we go. Come on, baby. That's exactly what I'm talking about. 5-minute EMAs at 191.82. Show me that EMA test, AMC. AMC has one of the craziest patterns I've seen today. Oh, so far this, or so far in AMC since we've traded AMC. This is such an odd pattern. I can't even read this. I don't know where it's going. Apart from getting rejected at EMA in the 5-minute and some support, huge support being at 1150s, it's really difficult. Not gonna lie, it's very choppy. GameStop on the other hand is a little bit more clear. Did you, did you wash your hands, smooth brain? Who does that? We're apes. You don't need to wash your hands. You kidding me? It's not like we're living in a pandemic. 88% according to what, Fidelity? Come on, we need that balance, guys. I mean, I'm glad we held 187. I'm holding Tesla, yes, I'm holding my Tesla, which so happens to have a crazy reversal. Then again, well-deserved pullback, well-healthy pullback. AMC, man, what are you doing? This is so choppy. Then eat the leaves. AMC is making my stomach feel like I ate Arby's. What? What's Bitcoin at? What is Bitcoin at? Congrats on your TCAP position. Congrats on that. Very happy Lady Ape today. I'm happy for you. AMC is his own creature. Come on, GameStop. 55.2K. Yeah, Fidelity bought a pretty decent chunk of AMC, guys. I don't think it was at 13.26. If I'm not mistaken, it was under that. I think it was like at $7. Oh, it was at $13? We were talking about the support on GameStop earlier, guys. We were talking about that support around 186. And so far, it looks like we're bouncing off of that price again. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, green is good, green is good, green is good. 190 spike, but then again, it doesn't really hold the spikes. Come on. Look at that. It comes right back down. Yeah, Powell's speaking today and tomorrow. Silence before the storm. What time is he coming on, guys? Powell. What time is Powell on? No, guys, it's not holding the 190s. Again, if we hold above 187 today, at least we have that sign of support there as well. Even AMC back to the wall at 1150 of buyers, which is getting ate up at 1150. Eleven 51. I like seeing green. There we go. But it's still back at 1150. He's fighting again for that support. GME, on the other hand, I don't know what it's doing. GameStop should hold above 185 because that is where I have my buy set at. Robert buying the dip. I mean, I don't know. Hopefully we don't come and test 185. We hit 172 and then 183, but I don't want to see 185. Do not want to see that. After hours, Nero. After hours. Nope, earnings has not been released yet. We're still waiting. Again, we're testing 1150s. Broke. Support has been broken there at 1150s. Let's see where it holds itself. Maybe 1145. There we go. Let's see. Oh, 5 p.m. Eastern. 5 p.m. Eastern. DP, I am as well. You guys think there might be an offering for GameStop after hours? 187 again. Quadruple bottom at 187 on GME. Let's see. Are we going to hold this? Is it going to bounce? We're waiting to see the next level of support. 141, I believe, was the pre-market. One of the pre-market lows. When 1141. Let's see if we bounce off of that. I don't want to retest 1130s again. Again, double bottom is scary. And quadruple bottom is even worse. This is what GameStop's doing here. We need that bounce now, ASAP. 1140 again, 41. There's a slight wall of buyers here at 1140. That's why he's still testing 4140, 4140. It's bouncing back between that penny spread. All right, here's the test. New candle on GME. Bounce or no? Bounce or no? Come on. It's literally fighting, guys. At 187.40, there's a huge fight there for that bounce. Come on. Are you guys seeing this? Even on AMC 1131, double bottom. It's coming for that double bottom. It needs to bounce. This pattern does not look right. It's so ugly. GameStop is holding in there by a hair again. $31, 30 new low. It broke. Coming down aggressively, 28. All right, we're not seeing the TNS. Look how faster it's flowing. GameStop also broke. It seems like it's following AMC now. Let's see. So when we first initially hit around 11, possibly even 12, it pulled back all the way to $9. So as we shot away from 1450, we're now at 1136. We're still waiting for that. We need a green day. We need a green day. Broke on GME. Next level of support will possibly be 182, guys. 182. Spies dumping. Oh my gosh, Powell. What are you doing? Is Powell on yet? Spy just dumped as well. Did NASDAQ dump too? Going red again. Tesla also dumped. Looks like the market just took a crap right now. The entire stock market is bleeding. I'm not worried. It will bounce back. Never panic sell. I agree. I don't know why everything just dumped right now. $185. The next level of support for GME was around 182. Let's see. Let's see. This is painful to see it. Hold yourself. Come on. I would say the next level of support for AMC would possibly be the whole number of 11. I do not want to see that though. I do not want to see that. And with the overall market coming down, it's just more pressure. The pressure is on. So have an hour for Powell. Alrighty, there we have another slight bounce on GME. This is what we need to see on AMC. We need that bounce. Look at that ask at 1122. That's crazy. That's ridiculous. 18. All right, there we go. GME's bouncing. All right, Jimmy's back to that previous support at 187. Is it going to get rejected there? It looks like at 186. Immediately getting rejected at EMA. We're still waiting for that first initial bounce on AMC, guys. CNBC says cautious trading ahead of Powell. Oh, CNBC, man. All right, there we go. Let's see that bounce. Push to 1135. That's what we're waiting for, that bounce. 26. GameStop had its bounce, but it's not too strong. Still seeing resistance at 187, which was that previous resistance. Look at this. Hmm. 20s again. Where's that bounce? How's the 5 minute? Same pattern, guys. Way oversold. This is way oversold at this point. Even with GME, again, rejection under EMA. What we've been seeing all the time, every 1 or 2 hours or so into the market open, man. This same pattern is apparent all the time. 1116 on AMC. Still waiting for that bounce. I saw a pretty decent bid at 1115. Let's see if we hold 1115. 14, no. GME back with the double bottom 185. Don't crack. Damn. Is it on CNB? Let's check. Let's check. Talking about the 10-year. Inflation, inflation.
So they've said we can keep interest rates at zero until we get to maximum employment without any consequences for inflation. I'm dubious of that proposition, but so they put employment first over inflation. I think
It's at 1103, guys. That's the next level of support. 11 flat. 1102. This is literally just being oversold at this point. I've been telling you how long now AMC was a dead horse. I keep listening to these YouTubers that tell you not a financial advisor. They probably have their own agenda. Bro, I'm down on, let's see how much I'm down on the day. I'm down $1,400 on the day. Yesterday I was down another 1,000. And I'm not selling. So screw you and I'm gonna hold. You can cash these diamond hands, buddy. Yeah, this market is really just pulling back. There we go. Let's see a bounce, man. Yes, guys, these penny, look at these orders. These orders are not retail. 183.916, 11.0201. This is not us. These are the unknown institutions. These are the hedgies. It's not us trading. Here comes 11. Might be tested here. That bid is pretty stacked at 1101. I'm pretty sure there's an even bigger bid, a bigger wall of buyers at 11 flat. 1102. Okay, okay. I love seeing that green. Show me that green. Show me that bounce. This is what we mentioned earlier. Guys, this is what we mentioned earlier. There's gonna be a lot of trolls coming on in, especially later. Especially later, guys. Just don't be surprised. Last time we had 5,000 people watching the AMC earnings with us. Ton of trolls. The AMC haters only come out when it's down, right? Come on, we need a stronger bounce. We need that stronger bounce. Again, GME holding near the lows at 182. New low, 182.75. That's the next level we bounced off initially, guys. The 182. And this descending triangle is just getting a little uglier. It's not good. We need that bounce and this whole market being red and selling off, and Powell is not helping inflation, blah, blah, blah. Arby's. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is the bounce we need. This is the bounce we need. We need that on AMC as well. Again, it's testing EMA, guys. It is still getting rejected. Let's see that EMA curl up. Let's see that bounce. It's way oversold. 5 minute. We're way oversold. AMC, same thing. Look at this. There we go. I'm not selling, baby. We need power to save us, literally. Oh, the markets. Look at this. Look at these candles, man. Now we're getting that bounce finally. All right, we're back to test that resistance, that previous support at 187. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're still waiting for that first initial sign of a reversal, which is obviously going to be higher lows, guys. We have not seen that yet. We have not seen higher lows on GameStop or AMC. So let's be patient. Let's see. Testing EMA on the pullback for GameStop and on upward momentum for AMC. Let's keep that green going. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell and Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen are set to testify before the House Financial Service Committee today. Major trolling today, Ralph. Here are our opinions, and there's propaganda. Take it as a compliment that you have many viewers and therefore a voice that's heard. You should have done that ABC interview. It was on LA Times. No, screw the media. They would have easily manipulated my words. But yeah, guys, get ready. I feel like we're getting more shills in the chat by the day, so get ready for later. Oh, Michael, I'll give you the wrench, because I know later it's gonna get crazy. People get emotional as the daily price drops. That too. There we go. That's the bounce we need. That's the bounce we need. Let's go, baby. This is what we're looking for. Let's go to 1150s. Let's go back to 1150s. We need that bounce. GameStop, give me that bounce. We need a break above 187. Show me that green. That's a good eye right there. Dan, inverse head and shoulders. You guys see this? Inverse head and shoulders. That's a good eye. I did not know. I did not see that. Oh, 1126. We're curling up. Okay. Like we said, what we're playing right now is basically the higher lows. So obviously the higher we push, the better. But what's even more important is these pullbacks like we're seeing right now once again at 185 in GameStop. We cannot afford a double bottom again. Wells Fargo has some post-pandemic moves they recommend. Number one, diversify between equity, asset classes, and sectors. Number two, be choosy about fixed income. Number three, you need more commodities. All right, 11 to 11:30. Okay. Come on, GameStop. Show me that bounce. No, AMC is not halted. I'm surprised there wasn't such a huge wall at 11:30. Oh my God. Is this just breaking news? Latest management shuffles. They're not playing around. Chief Customer Officer. No, this was he was already leaving. This happened earlier. It just came out a couple minutes ago. Wall Street Bet meme stock race. Ryan Cohen, January, blah blah blah. This happened earlier. Never mind. I just got a little excited because I saw the time. Timestamp is literally like what 13 minutes ago. Every time Powell opens his mouth, the market drops. Talk about a bounce, man. Talk about a bounce. Tezzer, are you bouncing? Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 11:30s again, fighting on AMC again. GameStop, let's play these higher lows, man. Let's get a reversal going. Let's get some momentum headed into the earnings. We got trolls in here. $29, fighting 30 again, 185. We're having a slight small ascending triangle here. Again, if we continue these higher lows headed into midday, we might have a possible reversal by power hour. Let's see how strong it holds. All right, quick bathroom run. Hopefully this pushes above 187. I'll leave you guys with Jamer, chair pump, Jamer pump. Let's go. Mute pump, absolutely not. I was eating my banana. I had it muted. Matt, thank you for the donut. Just started following you. You and Trey Tracer live streaming together. That's coming. That's coming soon. Me and Trey are still working on that. Um, can we talk about the SSR rule, the short sell restriction rule, and other tactics we're seeing because of the sell-off on AMC besides blame manipulation? The SSR doesn't even do anything. I keep hearing the SSR, or it's gonna hit the SSR down 10%. They can only show on the uptick, not on the downtick. It doesn't even matter at this point. It's not doing anything. And we're still seeing that penny spread in these walls. If you just take a look and glance at the level twos, you'll see the walls. You'll see them. Let me higher this up a bit so you guys can see that. Can you guys still see well? That's why I don't even mention the SSR. It doesn't do anything. And with the entire market down too, that's only added pressure. GME still holding this ascending slight higher lows triangle. I can see it forming break above 187, break above that previous support we had, which now seems to be resistance. Short sell restriction. Yeah, those dark pools come in at the end of the day as well too. That's why we're seeing huge orders of like 5 million after hours on AMC. We'll see it today as well. Watch. Someone remind me if I forget to pull it up. I sell when Ralph sells, spits on the ground. Don't follow my finance. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Frank Hamlin, man. This guy got sacked. He got fired. There we go. There we go. 186 once again. Come on, third time's a charm. Break out. Pop. It doesn't want to shoot up. We just need a massive green candle here. Get us back above 188. Matt, thank you again for the dono. Can you do some live indicators, trend lines, resistance, and support from a macro and micro level for AMC to help us learn? Yes. Live indicators as of just charting right now, right? Because keep in mind, all these are lagging indicators. The only indicator that is not a lagging indicator is volume. Volume is what does not lie and is not a lagging indicator. So as for trend lines here, well, of course, like always, when in doubt, zoom out. And one thing I don't like here, but I always keep it real with you guys, that I see here is a descending triangle with support being around 185, 180s is where we bounced off 3 times. Here on the 1 hour starting off that initial pullback here from Tuesday, you see these lower highs, you see the descending triangle. We've seen it before. It breaks down under, and especially with earnings coming up, that wasn't much of a catalyst. It looks like people are still holding, especially with it being with low volume. It's it's gonna be a wild ride after hours, but headed into that with this pattern, it's not looking too solid. And right now we're still struggling. Look at this, we're still struggling to break above that previous support. So here's the thing with support. Usually what happens if it cracks under support, just like in this case, that support sometimes becomes resistance. That's exactly what we're seeing here on GameStop. We're struggling to push. We are struggling. And for AMC, of course, when in doubt, zoom out on the 4 hour. We're still well above SMA after we first initially bounced from $5. Of course, we're also under EMA. So above SMA, under EMA. The first two initial pullbacks we had from 1127 down to like 8, followed by a spike, which double topped here at 1186. We'll form that there. And then got rejected, pulled back again. And then we saw that final stretch to 1188, and then we had the manipulation at $14.50, and then we saw the resistance yesterday at $12.50, and now we are fighting at 11. So it's under EMA. The next level of support will possibly be around the whole numbers 11, 10, 50. That's what it seems to gravitate towards. So, but we're still on the uptrend, guys. How much are we on the month? So does anyone have the percentage on the month for AMC? And even as of now, how we said there was previous support that just became resistance on GameStop. Look at this right now. Support was at 1130s, which also was one of the pre-market lows. Where's it at? Pre-market low, 1130 here. That is resistance. We bounced to that level and pulled back. Technicals. $58 up in the month. At least this dude has some skin in the game. I don't believe the other YouTubers. I don't know why some people will not show their positions. Like if you're gonna be on YouTube and like, I guess you could say giving hope to these stocks and what you believe, why wouldn't you have a position? It doesn't make sense. It does not make sense to me at all. All right, there we go. Once again, quadruple top, literally at 186. It has to break out. We need a massive green candle. It needs a little bit of a stroking push above 187. We need that push, baby. We need that push, baby. Come on. This is the candle. This is it. Come on. Break above. Go back above that previous support. That literally just turned on you and became resistance, man. Come on, GameStop. Yes. What did CNBC yes, come on, let's go. CNBC said earlier that GameStop is gonna go like up. It's gonna go one way or the other after hours, up 30% or down 30%. Of course, like we hate CNBC, but that's something I would possibly agree on, guys. That's something I'd have to agree with them on. I think it's gonna go aggressively one way or the other. I don't think there's no in between. And this is exactly what we're looking for on GameStop. Yes, yes. We're back at that previous resistance. 187. The Diamond Life. What a name. I love it. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'm afraid I'm gonna get kicked off the freaking GameStop earnings call for some reason. Let me check my email one more time. I appreciate that, Brad. The positivity, awesome channel. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. $187.89. Come on, keep pushing. I don't like this pattern. AMC has one of the you guys agree this pattern is really ridiculous. Like it's really choppy. Other than these higher lows, man, I don't know where we're going. That we have to hold above this trend line. Watch this red trend line here. Let's keep this here and watch. I appreciate that. Let us know of the beat. I'm waiting for Trey. Me and Trey were supposed to go live last week, but he had issues on his OBS platform. And I agree, OBS is always a pain. There's always issues with OBS. Earnings calls after hours. We're gonna be streaming that. All right, there we go. We're pulling back again, but of course, a pullback is not always the. It's not bad. Healthy pullbacks are not bad as long as they're not aggressively selling off, like we did here on AMC. So watch this red trend line, guys. Hold above EMA. We have Tom Brady's on our team, guys. Tom Brady literally came through the last minute yesterday. So close to 420 likes. We have 413 likes. If you guys are enjoying the stream, that's all we ask for. Drop in the like button. Destroy the like button. In fact, Tom Brady always comes through fourth quarter. Yeah, we're waiting for Tom Brady. Yesterday he was super late, running late, got stuck in traffic, but he came through for us yesterday. 5 p.m. Eastern. Let us. The trend line is being tested one more time. GameStop still bouncing off EMA. Alex M. MC bar rates are going up again on what? On Fintel? Or I borrow? There we go. We're slightly bouncing as well for AMC. Yes. 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 Finally. An hour and who knows how long later, almost 2 hours, we're finally above EMA on the 5 minute again. Let's go, baby. Oh, get some hype in the chat. They can't stop us, baby. We're bouncing again off 182, the same level I believe we bounced off of on Friday, same level. And if history repeats itself and we have that same push, oh my gosh, come on. Give it to us. $189. Yes. Yes. AMC, follow along. Follow along. You guys see this now? The W, the George W. You can almost see this forming 189.62. Just push to 190s, baby. You're there. You're there. You are there. 190s, give it to us. It's not giving me that final stretch. It needs a little stroking, huh? All right, there we go. Let's see if that stroking helps it push to 190. There we go. 187, 189, 70, 75, 90. Yes. When in doubt, stroke it out, baby. Come on. Oh my gosh. We're back. We're back at this wedge. We're back at this range. Now it does pull back. We need to hold 187. Well, what was previous resistance became support and is now again at support. Come on. Let's just talk about Brady and soccer when it's red crayon. Not the right way to drink coffee, man. Not the right way. Take my energy with you. I'd say a good what's a good number to close on for GameStop? I'd say a really decent number to break above that previous these lower highs, guys. Give me the SMA. Give us the SMA. 209.62. Let's push above that. Let's break past this descending triangle. This descending triangle here worries me a bit, guys. Unlike AMC, which has a beautiful uptrend. We need that. We need that. Power to the players. All right, there we go. We're tracing back. We have to hold 187, man. Cannot afford to come down under again. Meatball, Professor Meatball. If the hedges weren't scared, they would not be fighting so hard to keep it. Also with the media, man. If this was not a play that's still active, the media would not be covering this. They would have just stopped talking about it. All right, we bounced off 188, which happens to be the EMA on the 1 minute. So far, so good. We have signs of reversal coming. Mitch Peace, thank you for the dono. Here's money for Arby's. Thank you for the dono, but I don't know if I'd use it for Arby's. Should we use that dono for Arby's? Should we get Arby's today again? Did you F up a lot in the beginning and I keep getting burned and then questioning if I should keep trading? I lost 100K in 1 day trading options. I felt like dying, but I'm back. I did not quit. It's over. You'll never find out if you quit. If you quit, you're done. One of the worst things you can ever have is down the future is regret. I'd rather try something to the fullest and never give up. Just keep going at it. Than get older and be like, you know what, I should have done that. What if I would have done that? What if I would have never gave up? What if I would have started that business? How would my life be different? So that's just my advice there. Never give up, man. Because if you give up, it's done. You'll never get to your destination. Just trust the process. Go, GameStop! Come on! That's what I'm talking about. Give us 196. Look at that V recovery. Go to Arby's and get us a chicken sandwich. Options are really scary. Yep. They told me, man. I just share. I always do shares, and they always tell me, "Hey, you could always make money faster with options." They didn't tell. I didn't know the time decay. I was so stupid, so ignorant. Know what you're doing, especially with options. You could lose money as fast as you can make it. Let's donate to charity. Let's donate to a charity the money collected here. I'm getting it back to you guys. PS5s, gift card. We're giving a lot of gift cards this way too. I was doing crazy puts on SPY. And guess, oh my gosh, stocks only go up. You guys, are you guys seeing this? This is called, I call this the Jerome Powell chart, man. Talk about a recovery. Talk about a bounce. Talk about a rebound. Tesla, are you doing? NQ just hit a new high. What a market, man. The thing really also going up is my blood pressure. It's like, wow. All right, guys, you guys see this? AMC has been holding that trend line. We told you to watch. Watch this trend line. Watch this resistance breakout here at 1130s. Give me it. Market makers, give us the breakout. GameStop testing EMA one more time. We've held above EMA for 14 minutes. Not bad. Not bad. 14 minutes above EMA. Give me an hour. Let's go an hour without breaking down under EMA. I don't think Powell's on yet. I think the market is just literally prepping itself. Come on, game. Come on, AMC. Is 1150 a meme, guys? You guys think we could push back to 1150s before power hour? And take it easy on the Arby's, bro, for your blood pressure. That's why we tried it Friday. I don't know if we'll try it again. And GameStop said no. GameStop said no. It's testing EMA. Slightly peaked under here at 188.59. Here comes AMC with the push at 1130s. Eleven thirties again. The Jose sauce. No, he didn't. Originally, he did not say that about GameStop. Uh, Thank you for the don. I donate to the Winter Wars. I would love for this chat room to research this charity. Don't be mad at me for the distraction. Love you, apes. We're not mad at you. Should we do that? Charity stream? Just donate to charity. Oh, I appreciate you supporting. I truly do. But let's see what people say. Let's see what you guys say. 25K day trade rule. That's there to protect you. That's what it is. A ski wolf. Louis, thank you for the donation. Everyone should file a complaint to the SEC. I do have the link for that. I do have the link. Let me find that. I found it. Here we go. All right, here it goes. 32. 32. We're about to break out on AMC. Here we go. What a beautiful reversal we have going on here. Let's have Belfort pressure the SEC. That's another reason why I think he's also tweeting the AMC and everything. You think they'll like latch onto him and they'll finally investigate? They'll finally pay attention to what's going on? I filed a complaint Saturday morning. Guys, we're not breaking out above 11:30 on AMC. Looks like we might test that trend line one more time. With again, GameStop still holding above 187, so let's hold above that. Come on, baby. Talk about choppiness. Wow. GameStop pulling back down, retesting that support again one more time. It got rejected at the 5-minute EMA, guys. Rejection on the 15-minute, actually. I'm sorry. Can you tell AOC to investigate this? We tweeted at her yesterday. All right, we're testing support, guys. 187. Bounce off of that. It better bounce off of that. We're testing. We're testing. Give it time. AMC still, once again, pulled back, retested that higher low trend line you have to keep on watch. We're hoping for that breakout here, 11:35. Guys, GameStop is not holding, man. It's pulling back again aggressively. 186.50. Let's see if we hold. Elon tweeted yesterday about a massive chunk to what? My phone's gonna die. Elon Musk. He didn't tweet anything yesterday. Powell speaks in 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. TD Boomin, welcome back. That tweet was fake. Yeah, I just verified it. He did not tweet anything about yesterday. Yeah, and he spoke yesterday. We have him on in 30 minutes, and he's speaking again tomorrow. Triple threat. Orin Kitty up. Yeah, yes, he tweeted earlier. Let's give away a PS5 right now. Crypto.com is launching an NFT platform on March 26th. All right, here comes AMC once again, retesting that resistance. Let's see if we do pop on this time as well as GameStop still holding the uptrend. Let's push above 187. Tesla stagnant. This is very choppy. It's barely even green on the day. Let's give it some time. Powell the Bowel. So yeah, guys, we have the earnings later. We're gonna be streaming the earnings. Of course, we always come back power hour. So if you guys are new here and you guys do enjoy these streams, make sure to hit the subscribe button, baby. We're gonna come back later as well. Out of all these YouTubers, your channel rules the most. I appreciate that. Don't change. I'm not. We're gonna keep going live every single day, Monday through Friday. We're also not going live on Sunday. I'm still trying to open my crypto account. I'm still trying to settle everything. I want to get you guys to hop in and just chat. Spread your ideas with everybody here. Bring some analysis. You have some DD. You want to show me how to trade crypto? Show us. I'll send in the Discord. You guys could join the Discord as well. So now we are bouncing off that support line. So far, so good. We're headed for a reversal headed into midday. We are going to be streaming the earnings later on. I'll make sure I'm here extra early later on. So we have our spot in line just in case it crashes, their website crashes. I don't know. You just don't know what's gonna happen later. So we'll stream for 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes. No, I'm not leaving yet. Ralph has changed. He used to wear normal civilian clothes. Now he's in a spacesuit. Tesla's also working on that insurance thing. Tesla insurance. Did you see that Reuters article about Ryan Cohen an irritated customer? No, can you link it to me? Wait, I think link me that. Link me that. Yes, Amazon is in the talks. Amazon is in the talks of buying out. Microsoft is actually. Microsoft and Amazon are both trying to buy out Discord. Did Elon just tweet about AMC? No. I don't know where you guys are getting this from. You guys are following the wrong Elon Musk. I still can't get over the drawing. Do you guys ever see this drawing of Elon someone drew? Elon Musk. Oh, pulling back on AMC, guys. Failed breakout. It's almost lunchtime, by the way. Damn. I'm still gonna have my alert there. Time for Arby's. Eve, I don't think I'm touching Sundial for now. And any other Snoop Dogg stonks, I'm not touching them. I can't say the word on YouTube because they can hear me speak. Oh my God, what happened? I'd never activated Windows and it's gone. I didn't even notice that. You guys notice this? I did not buy Windows and it just went away. That's so weird. I didn't even notice that. Huh. Leave stonks. All right, here it goes. GameStop once again testing that trend line. Hedge funds are hacking me, man. Damn. That's a little spooky, honestly. That's so weird. Maybe when we come back later, it's gonna come back. All right, testing support once again. 187 on GME, pulling back on AMC. How's my 5 minute? Rejected at EMA. Yup, it got rejected at EMA, guys. On the 5. Now we wait. And both are pulling back. Look at all this red. I don't like seeing that. Let me peep at Fintel really quick. Show us what we want to see. Show us these numbers. These numbers. No update. No update on GME. Let's take a look at AMC. 450K as of 44 minutes ago. All right, we're back above. We're still at 187, guys, for GME. On the other hand, AMC's under EMA. As of 7 minutes ago, we're still waiting for that bounce. Are we going to rebound here at 11:15 again? That's what we're hoping for. Looks like we might be anticipating. Oh, even SPY. SPY's pulling back. NASDAQ pullback. This is an ugly drop. Tesla also pulling back. Seems like people, it seems like we're anticipating Powell in 20 minutes. Going to talk about GameStop on CNBC. Let's look at these clowns. Let's see what they say. Is it on break? Is it on break? Yep, it's on break. Thanks for letting me know. I want to hear what they have to say. Whoops. Here we go. Kramer, give me that pump. Powell's the Lord Vader to this market. He destroys it. Oh. Here we go. I have a feeling it's gonna start right now. GME still fighting at 186.87, so close to 187. Still fighting for that resistance. AMC back at 11.15. Let's see that triple bounce. Ugh. I don't know what the banana nut dance is. I do not know what that is. Here we go.
GameStop making headlines yet again today. Kate Rooney has the details. Kate?
Hey, John, GameStop announcing another executive departure. This time, the chief customer officer, Frank Hamlin, is stepping down just a month after GameStop's CFO said that he would resign. The C-suite shakeup is the latest change brought on by Chewy.com founder Ryan Cohen. He joined the GameStop board in January and is now the biggest shareholder. He was tapped to lead that company's transition to e-commerce. GameStop reports earnings after the bell today, giving analysts and the company's loyal online followers a look under the hood at this year's performance. But analysts don't expect much to have changed at GameStop in the quarter, despite that 900% rally in the stock. There are only 6 analysts covering GameStop, none with a buy rating. And take a look at the average price target, $14.64. The stock this week is trading near $200. Even if GameStop had a blowout quarter, Wedbush's Michael Pachter tells me that there's nothing executives could say to justify what's gone on this year with the stock. Analysts do expect a slight boost from the holiday season. There's also a focus on gaming console sales and any return to profitability in 2021. Meanwhile, on Wall Street Bets, that's the Reddit forum, of course, that sparked the short squeeze in January. That is buzzing this morning ahead of earnings, and there's a dedicated thread for the earnings call. Excitement about that call is definitely something Reddit and Wall Street are agreeing on. Executives have not commented so far on GameStop's volatility or their decision to not offer secondary shares, which AMC, of course, did. Both sides are also waiting to hear more details about Ryan Cohen's digital strategy. Guys, back to you.
Kate, it really comes down to Ryan Cohen, doesn't it? I mean, he's become like the Elon Musk of GameStop, at least in the sense that, yeah, the analysts are right. The results sort of don't matter in the sense that there's nothing that they can say to justify what's happened based on fundamentals. But in a way, that's kind of freeing. He doesn't have to. He can paint sort of visionary pictures of how GameStop aims to change the world. And maybe that's going to be enough for the people who like the stock. I should say that.
It's so interesting. The Elon Musk comparison is something that came up with analyst calls this week. I talked to a few folks who said that he has the same influence over the stock price. He's tweeting sort of cryptic things like that McDonald's ice cream cone. But they do make the comparison. Tesla is a new startup EV company. GameStop is a brick and mortar video game company. So I think you're completely right on the enthusiasm about the founder or a board member coming in. They just compare apples to apples and say GameStop even if the best case scenario happens here, if they were able to turn around all of those stores, they don't see the same amount of upside. And like we said, a $15 price target, the $30 price target is the highest on the street right now. But there is so much interest around Ryan Cohen and his ability to help turn this company around.
Kate, I laughed out loud when you showed that price target. I think it was $14 and change, which brings us to the point, who cares what Wall Street expects? This has nothing to do with the analysts that cover the company. What do the Redditors expect? You said that there's been excitement on the Wall Street Bets forum. What are they anticipating? Any theories on surprises? Is it possible that we could hear from Ryan Cohen himself? I mean, as John alluded to, he's been tweeting. Will we potentially get an answer on what the ice cream cone means, if anything, or the Dumb and Dumber GIFs?
W's, baby.
If you could put a price target on Wall Street Bets and what they're seeing, it would be the rocket emoji. There's still so much enthusiasm about this stock and what's going on. And it seems, like you said, to be completely divorced from fundamentals. It's Ryan Cohen, it's any turnaround strategy. And even there's posts today with headlines about executives leaving and that being a signal. And I think they're grasping onto anything that signals a turnaround and making this company really a digital company. So, as long as they believe it, and continue to believe the hype in this stock, it seems like, at least on Wall Street Bets, that enthusiasm has not gone away at all.
Kate, I'm still skeptical that Wall Street Bets itself is necessarily having the same kind of influence it did at first on the direction of this. Something tells me that the other powers are, either getting in behind them or pushing the other way. I wonder if you're hearing anything about whether stimulus checks would have an effect on the likelihood that a name like this would stay higher or perhaps run higher. I mean, it certainly is ammunition for at least that segment of the retail market that gets excited about this staying at a higher level.
It has definitely been ammunition. And we've seen in the last round of stimulus, those checks went directly into the stock market in some cases. And if GameStop is the poster child for this retail boom and excitement about any stock that has sort of a meme culture around it, GameStop could benefit. Other names, even Tesla, names that, consumer names that people know and get excited about. There is definitely evidence in the last year or so that that stimulus money has gone at least partially into the stock market and crypto.
Right. They should just release the earnings report in memes and let us and Redditors decipher that, and Wall Street have a field day. Kate, we'll see what that report brings in the forums. Thank you so much. Coming up after the break, the AI competition heats up. Startup.
Oh my gosh. GameStop it's been detached. I agree. It's been detached from fundamentals, and it is not going to trade on fundamental valuation, guys. $14? Are you kidding me? They forgot a zero there for sure. They forgot a zero on that price target. It just makes me more excited. My palms are sweaty right now, guys. My palms are sweating. What did you guys think about that? The earnings will report 100 rocket emojis. W or L? W or L? They forgot 3 zeros. He's an ape, huh? WPF. Michael, you thought it was an L? Guys, GameStop did not hold above 187. It is still indeed pulling back 184. They're one of us, huh? The frog in the cone. What's my favorite snack? Crayons, baby. Somebody help Enzo get subtitles. The top right. It should be on the top right, right? All right, guys, we might end it here and we'll be back power hour. Of course, we are going to be streaming the earnings call and the earnings, everything live here. So, who's coming back later? Who is coming back? Oh, I've never looked. I'm so excited and so thrilled and so nervous at the same time. His palms are sweaty and he's weak arm spaghetti. Who is coming back? Your power hour, baby. Tom Brady. I feel like we should get Tom Brady here. Fourth quarter. Oh, the anticipation is killing me, guys. Uh, yes, we also still have the giveaway going on. Smooth Brainers. I think you get. So there's two PS5s, right? I guess you get unlimited entries. You know why? Because on Twitter you can only retweet once, but for Instagram, some of you smooth brain apes thought, hey, maybe I could comment twice. That counts as two entries, and I guess you're right. Michael Jordan just bought GameStop. Don't get me excited. Don't not get me excited. That news sounds believable. My Roblox alerts keep going off. Mine hasn't gone off. My low alert has not gone off. Blood pressure is high. Tom Brady just just deflates balls. Uh, PS5 information is in the description of this video, I believe. Do you speak Spanish? Sí. Yes. Tweeting you a Tom Brady clip that totally applies to holding a GameStop. Guys, look at the memes you guys are making in Discord. You guys are funny. You guys, the funniest memes, where are they at? Okay, first of all, who made this? Arby's? Wait, what? This is why we hate Arby's. They're trying, they're trying. This was give me 1 second. GameStop rejected at EMA. What? Where's this one at? There's one with the suits. You guys saw it yesterday? That one was funny. I can't find it. You guys blow up the Discord. Discord's broken, man. Powell was speaking like in 6 minutes, I believe. Microsoft to buy Discord, yes. Also Amazon. Is this the way, guys? Look at this. Someone left a comment yesterday on the video, right? It says, Ricardo, sold my dog to buy more AMC. I'll meet him in the moon soon. Is this the way or is this not the way? W or L? W or L? Oh my gosh. That's not the way. L L. Sell the cats. All right, guys. But what if you sold the dog to the hedgies, but trained it to poop on the carpet? I thought this one was pretty funny. Kramer and Elon with the AMC patch. Send me the Tom Brady clip. We'll throw the Tom Brady later. But as of now, that's been pretty much it, guys. We will be back later. Possibly one of the most anticipated power hours ever. Earnings call. We have AMC at the lucky number, the astrological, whatever number you want to call it, 1111. And GameStop at 185 test in EMA. So hopefully, usually every time we end the stream, there is a reversal on both of these stonks. So let me set my alert just in case. And there we go. Move this really quick. Make a wish. With that being said, guys, of course, I will see you guys later. $600 likes for Roth to stay 30 more minutes. Everyone's already leaving. All right, do it. All right, I'll do it. 5 minutes, 600 likes, and we'll stay for 30 more minutes. I think I could do it. TCAT. I need to pitch a new show to Discovery Channel. It's where he has giveaways, but they're all rigged. Uh, you guys are hilarious. All right. I leave you guys with my buddy James Kramer. He has a little message for you guys. He has a little message for you guys.
We like the stock. We like the stock.
We like the stock.
Yes, we like the stock. 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 Yes, we like the stock. 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 Yes, we like the stock.
See you guys. GameStop.